I'm going to perform contortionist. My stage name is African Snake Girl.
How long have you been doing this?
I was still young, like 4 years old. I started to go on YouTube to search some. My model is Vlad from Russia.
I love contortionist. Good luck.
You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another star, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive. Where are you now? Where are you now? Where are you now? Were you only imaginary? Where are you now? Under the sea, where are you now? Another dream. The monsters running wild inside of me. I'm fading. So lost, I'm fading. So lost, where are you now? Where are you now?
I don't know if you know, but you were just sitting on your own head. Did you feel that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
And you taught yourself, you said.
Just I do it for my own.
And you've gotten this far?
YouTube is there, but how do you, and then you decide, I'm going to put this one here like this. Well, I'll say you do have a future doing this, and I hope you continue doing it for a very long time. Thank you very, very much.
Thank you too.
Do you feel pain?
No. It's okay.
Because I can't even watch. I was like this, like.
I'm going to say to you, Evelyne, snake, yes! Yes!
Anyone who can get on YouTube and teach themselves this well, girl, yes, yes, yes.
It's a yes from me.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
You are going to the next round because mine is a yes.
Wow, thank you so much.
Oh.
That was beautiful. Very beautiful.
Just one night, all we got. Just one night, all we got. Just one night, all we got. Just one night, all we got.
Make up your mind, sweet baby. Right here, right now is all we got. A little party never killed nobody. Right here, right now is all we got.
How are you today?
I'm okay.
I'm really liking your outfit.
Thank you.
What is your name?
My name's Ojok Francis, aka Joka Di Papalik. I'm from Uganda. I love dancing. It made me what I am right now, and that's the reason why I'm here. I expect the audience to cheer me up and show me some love.
The stage is yours.
Dance, I done dance properly. Ciao! Yeah, dance, I done dance properly. Ciao! Hitting now, all man again. Grab a girl, grab a man, then wait fast, wait slow. That's a wine punch up. Wait fast, wait slow. Every girl want wine punch up.